This is the new 2022 Toyota Tundra. I'm looking at it here on the floor. It got twin turbo. And man, I like this look here. It looks more like the GMC. I'm gonna go inside of it and look. Man. And what it have is that handle, which my 2020 do not have, the 2021 do not have. I'm getting older and I need that little assistance there. And look at the screen. It's pretty nice. I like the display screen. You got your tow. I'm trying to see where you switch it to four-wheel drive. And if you got a truck, you got to have four-wheel drive. Oh, here we go. It's got the little four-wheel drive button here. You push for the high and low. Really nice. Little tray, sliding tray. I like this big screen. Yes. This one right here got a 4-inch lift. Got plenty of room in the back. Pretty simple in the back, like my Tundra, like my 2020. Like I said, this is a 2021. I mean, this is a 2022. And I'm gonna back up again and let you see this is a 4-inch lift twin turbo. 2022 Toyota Tundra. So they just got this one in on the floor yesterday. Yeah, this is a front view of it. So I might be reconsidering to trade in my 2020 and get this 2022. I really like the design. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.